Hi, Rich Spezzano here from Digitally Fearless. And there seems to be some confusion about some of the things that I'm posting on YouTube. One person commented they don't understand why the format is so squeezed in, and another person commented on my spaceship tutorial in under 60 seconds, and they said you shouldn't be calling that a tutorial. I disagree with that part of it. If in under 60 seconds I can show you how to do something that you wouldn't have done or wouldn't have used a tool to do, I call that a tutorial. I'm teaching you how to do something in a different way. And to prove it, some of the people came to my defense and they posted some of their spaceships, which I'll show in a couple of minutes. Plus, I also spent another 15 to 20 minutes on my spaceship after that tutorial, and I'll show you what I came up with there. So first I want to explain YouTube Shorts. You always see the word hashtag shorts must be 60 seconds or less. YouTube is trying to create their version of TikTok. They must be vertical so you can see them on your phone, and they must be under 60 seconds. And so that's the rules, and that's what I did. I am not only doing those tutorials, I'm doing my regular ones also. So after that person commented about the spaceship thing not being a tutorial, I loved what some people came up with, and I'm going to show you that Paul posted this picture. I think he got it obviously from some kind of an airplane. And then the next one, Ron P. posted this picture, putting that car into outer space and turning it into its own little spaceship. And the next one is Carl123, and they posted this, and I thought that was interesting. He took a cruise ship and turned it into a whole galactic city, which I thought was very cool. And Hens created this rocket ship, and she created it out of this, and I thought she did such a great job on this one. I really loved it. And then I took 20 minutes after that tutorial, and I took the spaceship, one of the spaceships I created in the 60-second tutorial, and this is the one I came up with. Now it needs more work, but this is just a fun thing. You don't have to watch these shorts. You could watch my regular tutorials, but if you want to see the shorts, they're under 60 seconds. On my YouTube page, just scroll down to the bottom, and there's a whole section called Shorts. And I hope you have a great day. Bye.